Did you know that snails are one of the slowest animals on Earth? Snails, often overlooked for their sluggish pace, are marvels of nature. Moving at just 0.03 miles per hour, they glide effortlessly thanks to their unique slime, which protects them and keeps them hydrated. Their shells, growing alongside them and made of calcium, can even be repaired if damaged. With thousands of tiny teeth on their radula, they skillfully scrape food from surfaces. Remarkably, some can regenerate lost parts, showcasing their incredible adaptability and resilience in the wild.